Well, it was a mad dash this afternoon, but we got 2/3 of the sheeting on the garage. And unfortunately, we're getting kicked out by weather again. Now it is the end of the day, so we're getting ready to pack things up. But I don't know if you can see it, it has started to snow, which is not cool at all. But we made awesome progress today. Got that wall on, all our bracing done up, 2 rows of sheathing. We'll finish the top row tomorrow, and actually we'll probably start dropping on rafters. Well, other than the little piece above the door there, basically all the sheeting is now done. We removed all our bracing on the inside walls because all those boards will be used for our staging that we're going to start building tomorrow, all down the sides. And like I said, the ones that are missing are actually the ones that we're going to use to build little A-frames. But it was a good day, even though it was nothing but wind all day. We managed to get all the sheeting done on the garage. So now, with all the sheeting done, we now have our scaffolding down each side. It's at the 8-foot mark, so that gives us 4 feet of wall to lean against and lots of room above to reach our rafters and line them up. This was my dad's idea, actually. His engineering for the little A-frames, which come apart and will be the extra webbing in all the boards. She's pretty strong, because you know I'm at least 100 pounds. And there's no wobble in this at all, and it feels good to walk on. So next step, get some rafters up here. Well, here we are. We're at the point where the roof trusses are going up. This one here, we ended up putting all these 2x4s in here just so that the sheeting has something to land on 24-inch centers, because the both ends, both ends of the garage will have the sheeting on it. And for some reason, they didn't come with 2 end boards. This is all I got. So I don't know if that's just the way they do it, or I didn't specify, or something just didn't get ordered right. So here we are with the sheeting. It's just laying on here, but we decided to do it here on the ground, so it was much easier to trace it out and cut it out. So my mom and dad worked on this today while I was at work, and they are ready to go. The one that's up there already, those are the pieces there for it that'll space in. So next step is to get all those trusses up there. There's a better look at how the end trusses are built. That is a thing of beauty. Took an afternoon off work and managed to get the roof on. Our little catwalk that we built, or my dad built, ended up working perfect. It was very easy to get up there, swing those rafters around, and get them all nailed in. We got temporary boards here, just holding them all kind of spaced for their 24-inch on center. But everything went great. So today, we're going to be continuing on putting the hurricane clips, and then we'll probably put the fascia board on as well while we're out here. And then we got to build our ladders for our end overhang. Fascia board is on, and we're moving right along. We removed all our catwalk scaffolding because we have all the hurricane clips in on both sides, and then we're able to continue on and finish our webbing the whole way around. So walls are complete. Now we're building the ladders for the overhang, the eave overhang on the ends of the building. So we got the front done here. Now we're going to move on and build two more for the back.